Pinyin, Chinese alphabet. Pinyin is the Chinese alphabet. It transcribes Chinese speech sounds to Roman letters. For example, the Chinese word ba, which means dad, is transcribed into the letter B, the letter A, and the tone symbol above the vowel. A Chinese syllable represented by Pinyin symbols usually consists of three parts: the initial, the final, and the tone. The Chinese syllable na here consists of the initial consonant n, the final vowel a, and the falling tone. This chart listed all the Chinese syllables. You can find this chart on our website, hualinmandarin.github.io. There are 23 initial consonants displayed in the first row in this chart. There are 35 finals displayed in the first column in this chart. Among the 23 initial consonants, the pronunciations of the ones in blue colors here, b, p, m, f, d, t, n, l, g, k, h, i, u, s, are the same or very similar to those in English words, while the ones in red are different from English consonants. The letter Z is pronounced as Z. It's the same as the sound of DS in the English word hands. Z, Z. The letter C is pronounced as C. It's the same as the sound of TS in the English word cats. C, C. The letter ZH is pronounced as zh. It's similar to the sound of GE in the English word garage. But the difference is that you need to curl your tongue back to touch the roof of your mouth. Zh, zh. The letter CH is pronounced as ch. It's similar to the sound of CH in the English word peach. Ch, ch. Again, the difference is that you need to curl your tongue back to touch the roof of your mouth. Ch, ch. The letter SH is pronounced as sh. It's similar to the sound of SH in the English word bush. Sh, sh. The letter R is pronounced as zh in Chinese. Zh. It's similar to the sound of S in the English word measure. Zh, zh. Remember to curl your tongue back to touch the roof of your mouth when you try to pronounce zh, ch, sh, zh. The letter J is pronounced as ji. It's very similar to the sound of JEE in the English word jeep, but you need to spread your lips even more. Ji, ji. The letter Q is pronounced as qi. It's very similar to the sound of CHEA in the English word cheap. Qi. But again, you need to spread your lips even more. Qi. The letter X is pronounced as xi. It's similar to the sound of SHEE in the English word sheep, but you need to spread your lips even more. Xi, xi. Now let's move on to the finals of Chinese syllables. The finals can be divided into three subcategories: simple finals, compound finals, and nasal finals. After mastering the pronunciations of the 6 simple finals, the compound finals and nasal finals will be easy to learn because they're mostly just the combinations of vowels or vowels and nasal sounds. The 6 simple vowels are, starting from the first one, a, o, e, u, yu. The written form of the last simple vowel, yu, is wu with 2 dots above it. The only difference between yu and the e is lip rounding. Try to round your lips and whistle the e vowel out. E, yu. Again, e, yu. The compound finals are I, a, we, ya, ye, yue, ao, o, u, yao, wa, wo, y, r. The nasal finals are an, yin, wen, yun, yan, wan, yuan, ying, wong, yang, yong, wang. As you can hear, the nasal finals are the simple vowels followed by either the n sound or ng sound. Now let's talk about the last part of a Chinese syllable, the 4 tones. Tones are involved with pitch changes. The first tone is high and flat. Ah, ah. Make sure the pitch is flat. It doesn't rise or fall during the entire tone duration. The second tone rises from the low pitch to high pitch, the same as the English question intonation. What? Ah? Ah? The third tone is at the lowest level of your personal pitch range, with a slight rising at the end of the tone duration. Ah. The fourth tone is a falling tone, falls from the high pitch to the low pitch, the same as the English negation word. No. Ah. Let's try the 4 tones again. Ah. Ah. Ah.